this is the solution to the Java MOOC course, Java programming first part, programming exercise 5.5, named constructor overload. Okay, so the exercise template has a class product, which represents a product in a shop. Every product has a name, location, and weight. Add the following three constructors. So we are adding three constructors to the product class: public product string name and string location, public product string name and integer of weight. Okay, this creates a product with a given name. Its location is set to self and its weight is set to 1. This constructor creates a product with a given name and the given location, and its weight is set to 1. This constructor creates a product with a given name and the given weight. Its location is set to self, right? So yeah, now let's hop into the solution. Let's open constructor overload source code. Okay, yeah, there is a main program and product.java class. Okay, so as we can see here, there's nothing in here, but we have been provided with some test sample codes in the program exercise. Okay, there are the following three constructors. So there are already 3 instance variables that has been given to us, and okay, we need to add 3 constructors, right? So let's add 3 constructors. Public product, which is the string name, right? And then we also have to add public product string name comma string location, right? And then also we have to add public product string name comma integer of weight, I guess, right? Okay, after that we have already been given this public product class constructor right here. So if this is our condition, then what we have to do is we have to call this, right, name for name comma location is set to, what does it say? It says that our location is set to self, right? So it's for self, right? And then our weight is set to 1, right? Okay, and if this is our condition, if we have been provided with string name and location, then we are supposed to call this, then our name will be name, our location will be location, and our weight will be set to 1, right? Weight will be set to 1. Now if we have been provided with this, then we're gonna pass this. Our name will be name, our location will be self, right? And our weight will be 1. Oh sorry, weight will be weight. Okay, now we have been provided some test codes here. Let's just try and implement in our program.java here. Okay, let's try and run this out, and if we get okay, tape measure 1 kg can be found from the self. Okay, now I think the output is just as illustrated. So let's try and submit this program and see what the server returns us. Yeah, all tests are passed on the server. Thank you for watching, and if there is anything you'd like to ask me, you can ask me down in the comment section. Thank you.